INSTA BROW is the world's fastest eyebrow staining pen. You apply it once and you're done with your daily eyebrow routine for days. It takes 30 seconds to apply, it lasts up to 5 days, and it even erases mistakes, something that no other eyebrow product can do. Now let me show you how it works. So this is before, and this side is after. So it's very easy to apply. You twist the applicator, the eyebrow staining pen, and you start towards the tail of the brow. The longer you leave the color on, the darker the color will be, but it exceeds its max color at about 30 seconds. I'm gonna go all the way up to the front, making sure I'm staining the skin. All right, I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I like to wipe the front to create that beautiful ombre effect. And voila, look at that. This is smudge proof, waterproof, sweat proof. Look at this. These brows are still here. This is an amazing product for vacation, swimming, athletics, whatever you need, whatever involves water. Honestly, it really sounds like you created a product that is able to give you freedom from the daily eyebrow routine. So why are you the right person to create a product like this? I've been in the beauty industry for over a decade as a permanent makeup artist, which literally means that I tattoo eyebrows onto women's faces. I've worked on thousands of brows and I've seen every brow frustration up close. I'm gonna tell you a little something. My makeup artist started using INSTA BROW on me and I was so surprised, you guys. Like, I washed off my makeup when I was done with filming and my brows were still there. How does that work? I am so excited about this product. This product is literally going to make you look 10 years younger, ladies. It will make you look like you have had a brow lift, you have lost 15 pounds, and I'm gonna show you how it works. You just twist the applicator, you're gonna start towards the tail, you will work your way to the front, and then you're gonna wipe in 30 seconds or less. In just 30 seconds, your brows are done. There are a lot of eyebrow products out there, lots of brow gels and pomades. What makes this different? The secret weapon, ladies, is if you make a mistake right here, you have a built-in eraser. There's no skill required. What makes it so amazing is it is formulated with clean botanical ingredients. It's also hydrating and it doesn't just stain the skin, it also cares for the skin. So I originally set out to create a product that was going to cover gray hairs in between appointments. But during the development, I realized something so much bigger, that my clients, they weren't just frustrated with how their brows look, they were exhausted with how much time they spent on them every single day.
And if you make a mistake, don't worry.
Because in life, we make mistakes. But we don't want to make a mistake with our beauty products. You just twist. Our clean beauty eraser formulation goes onto the skin, you apply, and then you wipe for an effortless finish. Gorgeous. Look at those brows. Those look gorgeous.